Hi everyone! Today, me and Jamila are going to be playing the Try Not to Make a Face challenge. Whoa. So, my mom is going to be handing out sour foods or sweet foods. And if it's sour, we have to try not to make a face, like a sour face, like or even laugh. You have to keep a straight face like this. And Pierre will be the person who Pierre will be the judge, so he'll keep count of the scores and we'll also announce the winner at the end. So let's see what we get. Oh, let's see. Oh,
I'm gonna pick what I get.
Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. I just can't wait to see what we're gonna get. Okay, let's see. Strawberries. Okay. Oh yeah, one of them could be sour and one of them could be sweet. We don't know which one. Okay, let's... That was good. Okay, what's the next? So, both of us won that round. So let's see what's next. Okay. Okay, I don't care. I don't like tomatoes.
But you like tomato sauce.
3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Take another bite. I don't. Okay, so, ew. Sorry tomatoes, but
I swallowed it.
The whole thing?
With my
Oh, you drank all your water?
no.
Oh. Who won?
Patrice.
Yay! I've got 2 points so far, and Joanne's got 1.
But it's fine.
We'll see. We'll see.
What if you lose on the other round?
Exactly. Okay, what's next? Yummy. Oh yeah! It's orange.
I'm gonna
I think okay. But I do this.
Ah!
Okay, you. Okay.
Yucky.
3. It's like normal orange. Yummy.
I look nearly done.
Who won?
Both of you.
Yay!
High five. It's fun.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, let's see what's next. What is this?
Maybe jackfruit.
It looks wet. It smells.
It smells like somebody.
Okay, I'm gonna
like
try.
somebody's fart.
That's gross. Ew. Mine can take
Jamila
that.
just wants to beat you.
You can have that, Mama. Oh, that's
Okay, Jamila's gonna have food.
it's yum. What?
You got the sour one. Really?
Okay. So who won?
Jamila.
Yeah.
And you both have 3 points.
Oh yeah.
That's high.
Ooh,
High five.
let's see what's next. Okay, let's see what's next.
What's that?
What is this? What's that?
Peach.
Oh, it's apricot. Okay. That's yum. Okay. I wonder what's next. So who won?
Both of you.
You both have 4 points. Yeah. Okay,
I
let's
hope
see
you
what.
get a double again.
Okay, let's see what we get
And you
next.
have 5. Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's next. It's apple.
Green apple.
Yeah.
Green
Okay.
apple.
Let's do
Okay,
it.
try not to make a reaction. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pass it on, Ma.
It's just normal apple. There's nothing wrong with it.
It's not sour.
It's crunchy as well. It's not soft.
I want to go
Okay,
now.
let's see who won. Who won that round?
So you both have
5. Oh, see? We did have a double again. Okay,
I knew
let's
it.
see what is next.
5. Yeah.
Oh, yes! Kiwi fruit. Jamila doesn't like kiwi fruit.
I'm fine with it.
Okay, let's see if we get a double. Again or no?
But don't
Okay.
smile.
Oh, this could be a... Okay, what if it's a sour one? Okay.
Eat. Malia.
I'm done.
Wakey, wakey. Here. You don't need to finish it.
Made a face.
Clear made me do it.
Okay. But Jamila made a face.
Yeah. Patrice. Now Patrice has 6. And you have 5.
Let's see what's next.
Sophie.
Next.
Yay! Lemon, lemon. Why are you looking at me? I'm done.
I'm done.
Let me pass it. That's what Mommy said. Who won?
Who won that one?
6.
Oh, I didn't make a face. Okay, let's see what's next.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Mango. Okay.
Okay,
Let's try to
don't
make
make
a
it
face.
slowly. It scares when you win. You're both winning. That can.
Okay, so who won that round? Yeah. We're gonna get a prize. Also Pierre, since he's being a nice guy. Okay. So, yeah. So this is the last round. Let's see what it is. I hated that lemon. Pez. Yes. Okay.
Pez. I love saying Pez.
I'm done.
You're both done. Is it minty?
A bit. I think this is the... It's called Sour Pez. It's not the normal one. That was both. Who won that round?
Jemima.
Lolo, I didn't make a face!
Also optometry. No, optometry is me. Ouch!
Okay. Cut. So that was it for our challenge of the day. I hope you enjoyed watching us try lemon. I don't like lemon. No. But also a special thank you for our judge here. What do you say? Okay. So that's it. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with all your friends, like this video, and turn on the notifications. See you. Bye.
Bye. Both of them won.